Hello friends, today we will do elementary concept of object and classes. Okay, so let's start. So what is object? Object is a fundamental unit of object oriented programming, that is your OOP, okay, and represents the real life entities. So object is a fundamental unit of OOP and represents a real life entity. In OOP means object oriented programming, the attempts are made to break a task into some components, that is called objects. Okay, so there are the basic elements of the object oriented system and are also known as the entities. So the objects are categorized into two ways, that is your real world object and software object. So what is real world object? Real world object is that we experience or use in our day-to-day life. We can pose some features, means some following features. See here, first is that it is visual to us, it has definite shape and size, it can be brought in thoughts and figures. Okay, so these are the features related to real world objects. Okay, so for an example, in the real world object is like cycle, car, clock, mouse, etc. Okay, so then there is software object. So what is software objects? A software object may be defined as an object that is created while writing a Java program. Okay, so the characteristics and behavior of real world objects are referred to as data members and member functions of software objects respectively. Okay, then here it is written real world objects versus software objects. So first point is that the states or characteristics of the real world objects are considered to be data members in the software object. Then second is the behaviors in the real world objects are considered to be the functions or methods in the software objects. So characteristics of the real world object considered to be data members in the software object, and behaviors in the real world objects are considered to be the functions or methods in the software objects. Okay, next is your class. So what is class? Class is simply a representation of similar types of objects. It is the blueprint, plan, template that describes the details of an object. Okay, it is defined as the category that describes some characteristics and behaviors. Okay, then creating objects of a class. So object is also called the instance of the class. When object of a class is created, then it is said to be instantiation. So how the object of a class is created? The object of a class is created with some steps. Okay, first is that declaration. It uses class as data type along with an object. Okay, then second is that instantiation, means creating objects is termed as instantiation. Okay, then there is new. The keyword new is used for allocating space in the dynamic memory for storage of an object. Okay, so let's see the syntax of creating an object of a class. So first is means class name, then object name equals to new class name. For an example, so here I have written example, that is your Preet obj. Preet is your class name and obj is your object name, equals to new Preet and then parenthesis. Okay, so let's see our next, that is the difference between class and object. So first, in class it is written it is representation of an abstraction only. Okay, and in object it is written it is a real and unique entity having some characteristics and behaviors. Then second point is written in the class it is an object producer and hence called a blueprint for a set of objects. and in the object it is written, it is created with the use of the new operator. Then in the third point of class is written, it is known as object factory, and in object it is written, it is known as an instance of a class. Okay, so it is very important because in many times in the question paper it is asked. Okay, then if you want some important questions of this chapter, then please comment me. I will surely provide you. Okay, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel so that you can get my latest updates. So thank you for watching this video.